Most volunteer organizations run on a published schedule. Who's covering Tuesday's net? Who's working Saturday's parade? Who's on the on-call rotation this week? TicketsCAD scheduling page is the central calendar. View it to plan your week. Click a shift to sign up. Admins build the templates that drive everything. The scheduling page has 2 tabs across the top, Shifts and Events. We start on Shifts. The left column holds your templates and week navigation. The week grid fills the rest. Shifts show in a week view. 7 days across, the days you've scheduled filled in. Use the previous week and next week arrows to move through time or hit today to jump back. There's one view here, the week grid. No separate day or month toggle. Click any shift in the grid to load its detail. Time. Role required. Number of slots. Who signed up? Open slots. Open slots show as available. Click Sign Up. The system checks any certifications or ICS-position qualifications the slot requires. If you are qualified, the sign-up is committed. If not, it is blocked and an admin can override. Your name fills the slot. Other members see you signed up. Plans change. An assignment can be cancelled, which frees its slot to show as open again. Admins. Templates aren't a separate tab. They live in the left-hand panel right here on the Shifts tab. Shilia, Templates. These are the recipes that generate recurring shifts. New template, the plus button on the panel header. You give it a name, set the rotation length in weeks and a time zone, then add the roles it needs, each with its own slot count. Finally, add time slots, pick the day, a start and end time, and an optional label like night shift. Save. The template appears in the list. Select it, and the week grid fills with that template's shift instances. Navigate forward week by week to see upcoming occurrences. Generated shifts in the week grid for the selected template. The Template Settings panel below the list lets you edit the template, change the role, the slot count, the recurrence, and delete it. Editing the template affects how future instances are generated. Events, the second tab. Different from shifts. Events are planned activities, drills, parades, public service. Multi-role, multi-slot, sometimes multi-day. New event prompts for a name, a type, drill, exercise, deployment, meeting or training, a start date, and a location. Members register as participants on the event. Admins can check them in and out and track the hours worked. There is a capacity cap, but no separate per role slots. Save. Members can then register as participants on the event up to its capacity cap. The roster fills up over time. To reach members who have not signed up, send a broadcast from the messaging page a week before. Permission profiles control who can do what in scheduling. 7 profiles, from least to most capable. No access. View only. View own only. View own plus available. Self-service. View, sign up, mark unavailable, swap. Team lead. Manage assignments for their team. And full control. Complete scheduling management. Most members sit on self-service. Each profile maps to a role. Granting a member the team lead role gives them team lead scheduling permissions. Each profile lists the actions it allows. View the schedule, view others, self-assign, mark unavailable, swap, assign others, change status, manage slots. Pick the profile whose capabilities match the trust level you want to grant. One honest note. There is no calendar export today. You can't yet subscribe to your shifts from Google Calendar, Outlook, or Apple Calendar. There's no iCal feed and no personal feed URL in this version. If your members want their TicketsCAD shifts in their phone calendar, that's a feature request for the backlog, not something the app does right now. For today, the scheduling page is where you check who's covering what. A future phase ties scheduling to authorization. Shift-aware permissions. The idea, a dispatcher role active only during your scheduled shift. Outside the shift, you revert to read-only. Useful for organizations where dispatch authority should match duty hours. The phase is in the design briefs, see specs/future phases markdown, but not yet implemented. Today, schedule and permissions are independent. You can dispatch anytime you have the role, regardless of whether you're on duty. Recap. 2 tabs, shifts and events. Shifts show in a week grid. Templates live in the left panel of the Shifts tab and generate recurring shifts. Events for planned activities. 7 permission profiles from no access to full control. No calendar export yet. That's on the backlog. Up next, Module 20, Teams, NIMS Resource Typing, Certifications. See you there!